Hi, and thanks once again for visiting with me. If you've made up your mind that you're going to vote for Gary Roberts, I want to talk with you about some things that you can do to give us a hand with this campaign. First and foremost, of course, is go to vote. That's a precious right. It's not shared everywhere in the world, but we have that right here. You're not required to, but you're allowed to. And if you do that, then you play an active part in your government. So I encourage you to vote. A second thing that you can do that's very important in my view is you can spread the word. I don't know of any statistics that will tell any of us what actually is the most effective thing about convincing voters of which candidate to vote for. But my personal feeling is that word of mouth is the most important. There are approximately 180,000 people in these three counties. There's no way in the world any candidate can talk directly with all of them in the short period of time that the candidates have. So I rely upon your message being relayed to other people who are important to you. As I said, if you've made up your mind, you can do me and this candidacy a great service by sharing our message with your friends and your neighbors, the people who are important to you. If you've made up your mind, there are people who are going to look to you for guidance. They may not know me. They may not know the system. And you can be a big help in making sure that Gary Roberts is elected. If you haven't made up your mind, then I would encourage you to talk to people that you trust and talk to people that know me. I think that my reputation is impeccable. If you have your own lawyer, ask your lawyer about me. I'm confident that you'll hear good things, that I'll get high marks regardless of who your lawyer is. Or if you know people in the court system, they can tell you who the most qualified candidate is in this race. And so if you need that time and want to make that effort to talk with other people about it, please do. And when you complete that process, I'm confident that you'll choose me. And when you do so, please be sure to share that message. You've got lots of people who are going to want to consult with you about it. But more importantly, you can consult with them by talking to your neighbors, talking to your friends, talking to the people that you work with, and getting the message across to them. November the 6th is the date of the election, and I'm counting on you. Thanks again for visiting with me.